How to remove lines from iPhone camera. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to remove lines from iPhone camera, then firstly open camera, and if you want to remove these lines, then simply go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera, and then if you turn on your grid option, then turn it off. After turn off your grid, then go back to your screen and open camera. Now here you can see lines will be removed. So this is the way to remove line from iPhone camera. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.